Want to connect your PSVR2 to Steam games? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, make sure you have a Windows PC with Steam and SteamVR installed. Update both to the latest version. Second, connect your PSVR headset to your PC using the USB-C cable. Plug it into a high-speed port directly on your GPU or motherboard for best performance. Third, download and install the PSVR driver software or compatibility tool. Sony provides official drivers, and you may also need a SteamVR plugins. Fourth, once installed, launch SteamVR. Your PSVR2 should now be detected as a VR headset. Fifth, adjust your display and audio settings inside SteamVR so the headset runs at the correct resolution and refresh rate. Sixth, set up your play area and calibrate motion tracking, making sure your PSVR sensors and controllers are properly paired. Seventh, launch any SteamVR compatible game, select your PSVR2 headset when prompted, and start playing. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.